Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to play PS5 games on MetaQuest 3. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to know are the requirements. So the requirements are, first you need to install the SideQuest app on your MetaQuest device, and once you do that, what you need to do is download APKs, that is PlayStation app and PlayStation Remote Play. Both of these apps you have to download, and these both are Sony licensed official app. And once all of these are done, make sure you have two profiles on your PS5, the main one which you use to play and the back one. Both have to be able to sign into your account. Now once all these are done, you are going to use SideQuest to install the APKs for PS app and PS Remote Play app. Once you do that, first open the PlayStation app, and now you'll be able to sign in to the backup profile that you have made with your PlayStation network. After you have signed in with your backup profile, turn on your PlayStation 5, sign in with your Meta profile, and make sure Remote Play is enabled. Now open up Remote Play on your Quest, and it should skip the login page because you signed in with the PlayStation app first, and be able to choose the PS5 that you want to connect. Now once all of that are done, get the code from the PS5 link from the both of the devices, and you'll be good to go. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.